Hello, today we're going to learn how to make simple Dollar Tree bow earrings. This is from Dollar Tree for $1. You can get these at any place really at the holiday season, craft stores, things like that. I'm going to be using fish hooks for jewelry finding and my small little needle nose pliers. As you can see, there's an even amount of red and green bows. So with this one, you can make, I lied, there's not an even amount. Yeah, there is. You can make 3 pairs of red and 3 pairs of green, which will be a total of 6 pairs of earrings, all for $1. So we're just going to open this up. Take it out of its container. Take off the twist tie. They're pretty simple. And not actually take them off, just undo them, because you are going to need them. So I'm going to just take the red ones. They're really cute. This is what the back side of them look like. And then 1 pair of green ones. And I went with silver because that's what the bead is. If you find beads that are gold, it'll work too. Now, I'm going to put my fish hook finding around this twist tie right here. So I want to make sure that the main twist tie that I'm going to wrap the fish hook into is twisted really, really tight. So I'm just winding it up. If you twist it the wrong way, you'll untwist it. So no big deal. You just go the other direction if that happens. Twist, 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 twist. I think I'm going to use my scissors for this. I shouldn't, but... And then I'm just going to cut off the extra. Just cut off the extra. And I'm going to push it down so it's flat. See, it's sticking up. I'm just going to push it down so it's flat so it doesn't stick anybody. I'm going to get my fish hook. All I'm going to do is twist it sideways. I want to make sure that my forward faces forward. And I'm going to magically put the round portion around the wire. I have to move this closer to me so I can see. Sorry. I'm trying to show you, but I can't see. My wire portion. Well, this is supposed to be easier than what I'm showing you. I need to open my nozzle a little bit bigger. So that I can get it underneath the wire. And you just want to twist it back. You can see that I twisted it back. And now you have a very cute one bow earring. So we'll try this again. You take your fishhook finding. You need to open it really wide. And again, I'm doing this from further away, so it's a little more challenging for me to see. And you get it up underneath the twist tie. See, up underneath the twist tie. Take your pliers. Now we have an absolutely adorable pair of earrings to wear for the holiday season. Costs little to next to nothing to make these. They'd be awesome sellers for craft shows. Okay, so we'll do this again. This time we're going to leave the back on it and see if that makes it easier. I'm going to open up my fish hook again. I'm going to go up under the twist tie, which it's doing. I just have to wiggle a little bit more. Somehow I've got the ribbon in there. Okay, I'm gonna go out and try it again. And that time it worked perfectly. I'm going to take it. I'm going to make it loop back. This time we're going to twist tie. Cut. And then I'm still going to fold it back because we don't want that poking into anybody's ear. Cute little red one. Twist open. Push it in. Voila. Close it up. And then we're going to twist the back the right way so we don't untwist it. And then we're going to cut it off. Cut it off. Fold it so it doesn't poke anybody. Make the earring holder set right. And now we have a second pair of Dollar Tree earrings that nobody would know were Dollar Tree earrings. Again, you can make 6 pairs. Thank you for watching. If you want to see any of my other quick videos, feel free to subscribe And when I post a new video, you will be notified. Have a good day. Bye.